welcome. I am happy to introduce you this series of mini meditations for you to do every morning, every day, as a way of saying thank you and showing appreciation for every wonderful thing that you have and we sometimes take for granted. Many times we take for granted. Each day I pick a new word, a new thing to be thankful for. So I created this series of videos inspired by Thanksgiving Day, which is in November. But this can be done any day of the year, really. And it's a practice that I hope you can incorporate as a part of your everyday activities. I think it'll be smart to start doing it as you brush your teeth in the morning because it is just as important as maintaining your hygiene, right? We always wash our face, we always brush our teeth every morning, and I think you always should be thankful and be grateful for the things that you have. So I hope you enjoy the meditations. If you think of anything that you'd like to be thankful for, please send me an email here, let me know, and I will make a video especially for you, showing appreciation for that thing that you thought about. All right? Thank you guys so much. Enjoy the videos. All my love. Mwah.